Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start now by opening Gmail and composing a new message. Paste the code into the body immediately. Switch to plain text mode so angle brackets and indentation remain exact because rich formatting can break snippets. Make sure the account is active and your Wi-Fi is stable. Interrupted sync often stops sends. If the code is long, attach it as a, TXT, or zip instead of pasting inline. Once done, confirm recipient address and subject line before moving on. Next, make targeted fixes to delivery settings. Disable browser extensions or Gmail add-ons that rewrite outgoing content because they can strip code. If you attached files, prefer TXT or zip to avoid automatic scanning corruption. Alternatively, host code on a gist and paste the link. If you use an external mail client, verify SMTP settings and authentication so Gmail actually relays the message. Also check filters and blocked addresses. A misconfigured filter can archive or drop your mail silently. Now send the message and immediately check your sent folder to confirm Gmail queued it. If the message remains an outbox or you get a bounce, read the error code. Authentication or size limits are common causes. If sending still fails, clear browser cache, try incognito mode, or send from another device to isolate the issue. Make sure recipient mail server isn't rejecting code-like content. One key troubleshooting tip: examine any SMTP or bounce message text. It tells you why delivery was blocked.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.